Welcome to Illume magazine, your gateway to the world of leathercraft and community. Immerse yourself in inspiring stories from fellow artisans that resonate with your own journey. With each issue, receive practical advice, expert tips, and invaluable skills from seasoned leather crafters who understand your journey firsthand.
Through in-depth articles, how-to demonstrations, and captivating stories, we aim to equip you with the knowledge and resources you need to succeed. Whether you're a beginner eager to learn the basics or a seasoned pro seeking to refine your skills, Illume magazine offers something for everyone.
Joining our community means more than just gaining access to premium content. It means becoming part of a supportive network of fellow craftsmen and women who share your passion and dedication. Together, we spotlight your successes, share your experiences, and uplift one another in your craft.
So why wait? Join us today and embark on a journey of discovery, growth, and connection. Let Illume magazine be your guide as you unleash your creativity and achieve greatness in leathercraft. Welcome to the Illume community, where your journey begins and your possibilities are endless.